So here I'll be taking you through how to install ZKBio Access IVS on your system. On this system, this is the software already downloaded, ZKBio Access IVS. Click on this system, on this software, to take you to the interface. So once you get to this place, it's going to ask you, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? So you click on yes, and then it take you to the next step. On the next step is asking you which language do you want to use during the installation. On this software, we already have a series of language that has been configured to this software. So we have English, we have Espanol, we have Italian, we have Romana. So for the purpose of this video, we'll be using English language because this is for the Nigerian region. So you click on English language and then you click on OK. So when you click OK, it's going to take you to the next step of the installation. So this installation is going to ask you, do you want to overwrite, install, or uninstall? So you click on overwrite installation. So on the next phase, you have this UI UX design. So you click on next. Once you click on next, it is going to ask you if you agree with the privacy policy. So you click I accept the agreement and privacy policy, and then you click on next. When you click on next, you see this interface where it's going to ask you backup document path. Do not click on anything, do not touch the browse, just click on next and then click on install. So while you are installing it, it's going to be installing all the modules that came with this software. So all the modules, we have the intelligence, video surveillance, and every other module that comes with it is extracting it and then is installing it. So we wait and see and have it extract all the needed and necessary files. And once this is done, so it's going to show you this. It's going to show you, right? So you are going to click allow. Allow. So now the system is saving what all the files that have accompanied this software. So you click now, it's saying yes, you start the system now. No, I will restart the system. So you can either choose either of these. So I click on no, I will start the computer later, and then you click on finish. So this is just a simple step on how to install ZKBio Access IVS to your system. In our next video, we'll be showing you how to create an account and how to create create personnel and add user on the software. Again, just to remind you, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.